Check out this 2017 Buick Cascada. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air deflector, front seats, air deflector, rear seats, convertible roof, folding, acoustically and thermally insulated, convertible top color, black and fog lamps. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.